how to enable two-factor authentication on Hard Rock Bet. Now, if you want to enable two-factor authentication on Hard Rock Bet, first of all, open up your browser and go to app.hardrock.bet. Once you go to app.hardrock.bet, this is the type of interface you will see. Now what you want to do is just click on the login button that you can see located at the top right hand side of the screen, and then you want to log in by using your email and password and just click the login button. Now after you log into your account, what you want to do is, if you want to enable two-factor authentication, you have to go to your account settings. Once you go to your account settings, you want to select two-factor authentication, and with strong authentication, each time you wish to log into your account, you will receive a text message from Hard Rock Bet containing a temporary code, and you must enter that code during account login to access your account. This is how you can enable two-factor authentication on Hard Rock Bet. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.